Hi everybody, TJ Le Capois here. I just got home from work and y'all know how we do. It's dark outside. Yeah, I work long hours. Anyways, this is me walking Harriet. Do I look handsome? I look okay. Anyways, yeah, so do your thing in the arena, Harriet. Alright. What is she barking at? What are you doing? What are you doing? No, no, no. Don't do that. No, 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 don't drink that water. Don't drink that water. No. Okay? Oh, there's another dog. Never mind. Okay. Okay. You want to do your thing or you want to go home? Huh?